Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all doing great. So many people requested me to make a video how to convert AS5 to 13R. So here's the tutorial video. Please do it at your own risk, because I will not take any responsibility if your phone breaks. So first of all, you have to unlock your bootloader. First go to your about device, then version number, click on version number at least 6 to 7 times. It will pop up you are now a developer. Then go to developer settings, search developer options, click on developer options. Then you have to enable OEM unlocking. You have to enable this OEM unlocking. Enable. Then scroll down and turn on USB debugging. Okay. Press fast boot firmware flasher. Go to platform tools and type ADB devices. Now it will show to allow USB debugging. Press this, then allow. Now type ADB gboot bootloader. It will boot into bootloader mode. After booting into bootloader mode, type fast boot flashing unlock. Now it will show whether you want to unlock your bootloader or not. Press volume down button, again volume down button, unlock the bootloader, select, then press power key. Now it will unlock your phone's bootloader. It will show orange state your device has been unlocked and can't be trusted, so don't worry, it's no harm. Now again to settings, again go to about device, version, turn on developer settings again, go to developer settings, again enable USB debugging. Okay. Make sure OEM unlocking is turned on and it cannot be turned off anymore. Type ADB devices. Now it will show to allow USB debugging. Press this, then allow. Type ADB reboot bootloader again. So you have to select file picker, then select the downloaded OxygenOS version, open, then select full. After that, press to unpack. It will start to unpack your OxygenOS file. After unpacking is completed, open your destination folder. You can go ahead and back up your odm.img file. As you can see, I have already backed up my OxygenOS ODM file. Now simply go to firmware flasher, press to flash. Now I can't show you the flashing process cause I don't know why my PC cannot record the flashing process, but I will show you every process step by step from the screenshot I have. It will show something like this, starting flashing process. So when the first stage is done, your software will pop up a message showing the first stage is completed. Press OK to proceed to the second stage. Phone will be rebooted into first boot D mode. After the phone reboots into first boot D mode, don't press reboot, don't press format. After pressing OK, your phone will now restart in first boot D mode. After that, press English or do not touch format data, reboot device or power off. Do not touch anything in this place. Please make sure that, otherwise your phone will get bricked. Now as you can see, here's the pop-up. Has your phone rebooted into fast boot D? Press no. If not, press yes to proceed to second stage. Warning, do not reboot or format data to avoid breaking your device. If your phone is not on fast boot D mode, do not proceed anymore cause it can break. If your device is not on fast boot D mode, simply press no. If yes, then press yes. Your remaining flashing process will start. After completing flashing, your device will automatically reboot into your system. Your device now successfully booted on OxygenOS. So into about menu, it's now showing battery 6000 mAh and cameras now showing 1650 and 8. So now we have to flash the ODM file. We have to unpack the ColorOS folder. Then we have to take the ODM file and manually we have to flash the ODM file. Then again, go to about device. It will show again allow USB debugging. Always allow this computer for debugging. Allow. Now type ADB deboot fast boot. Now your device will boot into fast boot mode, not bootloader mode, not bootloader fast boot. It's the normal fast boot. So here you don't have to touch anything. From here select file picker. Now select your ColorOS file. After that select full. Now press unpack. It will start unpacking your ColorOS file. After some time, when unpacking is done, open destination folder, copy the ColorOS file, then go to your platform tools, search for where your platform tools are saved. Paste it. Now here type fastboot flash odm odm.img and hit enter. This will replace your old ODM file, your OnePlus 13R's ODM file to OnePlus Ace 5 ODM file, so you can use your camera normally and your battery information will be updated to 6415 mAh battery. Now ODM flashing is completed. Now simply press English, then reboot device. Now your phone has successfully booted on 13R's OxygenOS ROM, but your device will show the details about your Ace 5 like 6415 mAh of battery, 50 megapixel 8+2 and front 15, and normally everything is like OxygenOS. Now next step, I will show you how to relock your bootloader if you want to relock your bootloader. If you don't want to lock your bootloader again, you can again flash your 13R's stock ODM. You can get updates, and if you don't wanna lock your bootloader, you will not be able to get updates because your device will not be recognized by the system. Now here simply type ADB devices. Your device is now showing. Type ADBD bootloader. Your phone will boot into bootloader mode again. Now type first boot flashing lock. Now press enter. Want to lock your bootloader or keep it unlocked? So this will lock your bootloader again. The options with your volume down button or volume up button. Volume down button, lock the bootloader, select lock the bootloader, then press your power buttons. After that, your phone will again boot into OxygenOS. Now simply set up your phone again. Your bootloader is currently locked and you successfully booted into OnePlus 13R's ROM. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe if you like, and we also have a group where we discuss about S5 and some other OnePlus devices. You can also join us. I will leave the link in the description.